Nowadays, many new energy vehicles come equipped with multiple factory-installed audio systems, but they lack precise adjustment for each speaker's sound field, resulting in a subpar audio experience. To address this issue, Blaupunkt has specially introduced the brand new panoramic DSP amplifiers GTD 21616A and GTD 21012A. With high power and multi-channel precision adjustment, they deliver superior sound quality. This series of DSP amplifiers caters to your audio needs with 16 and 16 out and 10 and 12 out configurations, offering flexible system integration. Featuring robust input-output digital processing capabilities, they incorporate both AB class and D class amplifier technologies to ensure audio quality and efficiency. With a maximum power output of 1440 watts and 600 watts, your music becomes clearer and more powerful. With 32-bit DSP resolution and a 96 kHz/32-bit signal sampling rate, they meet international high-definition audio standards, allowing you to enjoy high-definition audio to the fullest. The all-channel RCA audio output, designed for enthusiasts, reaches a professional 4V level, offering lower output loss, reduced noise, and better compatibility. Moreover, the pure processor mode caters to the needs of audio enthusiasts, allowing for further expansion. Additionally, with 16-channel high-level inputs and 16-channel RCA/cinch outputs, along with a variety of input interfaces, you can easily connect various audio devices, achieving comprehensive audio coverage. With a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, covering the entire range from bass to treble, you can enjoy rich audio details. Furthermore, with input sensitivities of 7 bpp and 28 bpp, and a signal-to-noise ratio of over 98 dB, the audio signals remain stable and clear. Equipped with high-performance A/D and D/A conversion chips, these amplifiers ensure top-notch audio conversion effects and quality. Paired with PC tuning software or mobile apps, you can effortlessly create an immersive music experience. Featuring European and American-style carved flower decorations and fast heat dissipation aluminum alloy wire drawing process shells, these amplifiers boast both aesthetic appeal and practicality. Whether you're in the bustling city streets or the serene countryside, you can fully enjoy and experience the joy of music. All this and more awaits you with the Blaupunkt Panoramic Multi-Channel DSP Amplifier series.